Greetings, gentlemen, esteemed guests, and fellow enthusiasts of the cosmos. Today, we embark on a celestial journey, one that takes us beyond the boundaries of our earthly existence and into the enchanting realm of the night sky. Our title, Chasing Shadows, the Science of Lunar Eclipses, invites us to delve into the captivating world of lunar eclipses, a cosmic phenomenon that has fascinated humanity for millennia. The moon, our constant celestial companion, has been a source of wonder, inspiration, and myth throughout human history. Its radiant presence in the night sky has guided explorers, poets, and dreamers alike. But there are moments when the moon, our trusted friend, undergoes a remarkable transformation, one that reminds us of the intricate dance of celestial bodies and the marvels of the universe. A lunar eclipse is a celestial ballet, a choreography of the Earth, the Moon, and the Sun. It is a cosmic alignment where our planet casts its shadow upon the Moon, veiling it in a breathtaking display of colors, coppery reds, dusky grays, and ethereal oranges. It is a spectacle that awakens the soul, sparks the imagination, and reaffirms our connection to the cosmos. But beyond its aesthetic beauty, a lunar eclipse is a powerful scientific phenomenon, one that has contributed to our understanding of the universe in profound ways. It is a testament to the precision of celestial mechanics and the unchanging laws of nature. It is a reminder that our planet, our moon, and our sun are inextricably linked in a delicate cosmic balance. As we delve into the science of lunar eclipses, we uncover a wealth of knowledge about our solar system. We learn about the orbits and alignments that create these celestial events. We explore the Earth's atmosphere and its role in painting the moon's surface with vivid hues during totality. We appreciate the role of light, shadow, and optics in the dance of celestial bodies.
But a lunar eclipse is not just a lesson in physics and astronomy, it is also a reminder of our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. It is an opportunity to connect with the countless generations before us who gazed upon the same moon and marveled at its transformation. It is a chance to share the wonder of the universe with the generations that will follow. In an era of rapid technological advancement, we must not forget the simple joys of looking up at the night sky, of witnessing the moon as it undergoes its celestial makeover. A lunar eclipse calls upon us to be curious, to be explorers of the unknown, and to be stewards of our planet and the cosmos it inhabits. As we continue our journey into the heart of lunar eclipses, let us embrace the wonder, the science, and the magic of these celestial events. Let us be inspired by the shadows that dance across the moon's surface, and let us carry that inspiration into our daily lives, fostering a deeper appreciation for the universe that surrounds us. In closing, Chasing Shadows, the Science of Lunar Eclipses, is not just a title, it is an invitation to be captivated by the cosmos, to be in awe of the celestial wonders that grace our night sky, and to be enlightened by the scientific mysteries they unveil. Let us chase these shadows with wonder in our hearts and curiosity in our minds, for the pursuit of knowledge is a journey that knows no bounds. Thank you, and may our exploration of the cosmos continue to ignite the flames of curiosity and discovery within us all.